apply critical thinking strategies in our instruction for the students. Kaya dapat explicit ang goals, student-centered, and collaborative ang nature sa approach sa students.
Deep thinking, strategize pero open ka nga pwede pa ka makoreksyonan. Maghimo kag strategy para makakautag desirable outcome and to solve problems. If they can always customize their approach on following any task given, they eventually feel a sense of empowerment, ownership, and self-directed learning. Because critical thinking mas ma-enhance yun na siya if most of the time our task for the students will have collaborative instructions for them. Show them that you care about their performances, build rapport and trust with them. Let them feel that you are always there for them as their learning grows and as they are gradually completing the task from your course module.
Anytime? Yes, it's easy to access anytime. It's because with video lectures, no, your students can learn anywhere and anytime from using their gadgets. And then click this record tool. Okay. So, mag-start na ta og video.
Okay, so this is not the sample of this video by using the video shop.
Good day, everyone. So, we will continue our lesson, which is the number system conversion.
For today, we're going to discuss the basics of C programming. So, introducing C. Now, as you all know, C is a general-purpose programming language that has been around for nearly 50 years.
Hello, good morning. I'm going to teach you something that you're going to make out of wastes. This will be the product you are going to produce after using more or less 50 sachets.
Good day. So this day we're going to discuss IP subnetting. But before that, let's define what is subnetting first. So it's a process of dividing a large network into the smaller network based on layer 3 IP address.